When you're in school, don't forget never
Get.
Alright, so today, masugat dulong para sa inablos ko para ipakita ko sa inyo kung wala ko lang siya ginabuli, ginasabisyon ko pa sa ginapalangga. And at the same time, lunch out kami. Sa isa ka mga restaurant nga dugay naman may ginakanaan, pero isa na sa mga paborito naman. So balikan, tas bang update nyo ko karoon, sugatong taning hinablos ko gamaoy, hindi siya gusto nga ako, madulong siya. Come on, let's go!
Nila.
Wow, you look so pretty, little monkey! Your tummy hurts, why? We'll buy toy after. Are you excited to go to school with Tito Ching and Tita Na? You don't seem happy. Are you happy? Langga, you don't seem happy. Are you happy that Tito Ching and Tita Na will bring you to school? Look at the camera. And smile! Wow, what a nose. Let's go! Bye, Mommy! Say bye, Mommy! Magnabay kami sa Taala, sa poster ni Adam. Pero may na siya mambal. Itlog mo! Louder! Wala sa samod. Kaon kami anay. So we're here at Pepe's Balboa. Medyo dugay naman kami di ba kakaon. We thought of having lunch here today. Yan is Tubang Sorrento. What are you counting? What? Hold this, can you take a video of me? Your fingers on the camera. What? Take a video of me. Hold it here. At the bottom.
Okay.
So, my hinablos is taking a video of me. It's been a while. Nga nagkaon kami sa Balboa. And now we're back here. What did I tell you? Balik ka na yung video na yun. Cool? Ako lumadjust ah. This is squid sisig. I will have chicken pesto and ang hinablos ko will have chicken mushroom. And nag-order kami sa ilang roasted shrimp.
Grilled shrimp.
Grilled shrimp salad. Malipat ako sa sabor sa ilang squid sisig. Tamat. When you're in school, don't forget never
Get.
your water. Sorry your water. So, para mag-inom ni siya bulong, mapalanders kami anay. Grabe ka no? Grabe ka no? No? Okay, kay good job ang ako dinablos. Kay wala siya nag. He did a good job in school because he did not.
Get.
The smartest kid in school will be forgotten, but the one that will get will always be remembered. Always remember that. Never igit. Very good. Langga, Tita Na is not a good example. We're supposed to buy chicken only, but your Tita Na is buying beer over there. You don't drink when you grow up. You only drink if you can only afford to buy your beer. Okay? Okay. Touch me.
I touched you. You did not.
I'll buy you that, but you need to drink your medicine.
But I have many toys now.
Remember dito, Ching? Ay, tatlong ko. Kulang you're eating. You're not gonna eat by yourself. Ito, Ching lang mapait you. Araw, umutakan to skin, no? Araw. Skin.
But I want to eat by myself.
You can't eat by yourself.
I want to eat pizza, so I will go.
You'll be strong. Hey, you drink medicine after this,
No, I said I want
kay mami. Oh, yeah. Don't shout.
I want to eat by myself.
Okay.
By myself.
So that is it. Another day, another food range with my little monkey. Again, kids, remember when you go to school, never ever. Because that's the most terrifying thing a kid can experience. Say bye.